go the exit way.
Oh. Yeah, the other way, you mean?
Yeah. This is sick, though.
This is crazy. We've never ever seen this before. Don't. Tyler, don't go too close.
Oh, it ends.
Really?
Yeah.
It stops at the road?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This
Wow, the
thing
cars are
is
going by.
huge. You just gotta...
What are they doing down there? Oh my God, this is so
They go
cool.
down forever, Mom. Like,
Maybe they're resting it in this resting place. Look at how big it is.
I know, it's huge.
Wait, I want to take a picture of you by the tires. No. Stay right there. I'm not leaving you. Don't be scared. Look at me.
What if it starts moving?
Tyler, it won't. Look at me. Give me.
Yay, big train.
It's the size. It's. Oh my gosh.
Look, tires are bigger than myself.
I know.
The tires are bigger than me. The whole train is huge.
Oh, you ain't lying. This is so weird.
We never had something next to our house.
Imagine if like a cat or dog tries to cross over and this train starts moving.
Like Ella.
Or a child is just playing. A child goes, "Oh, mommy," and decides to run down there and play, and then the train starts.
Wait.
What the hell? When did this happen? I wonder.
I don't know.
Has this been all day?
Yeah, probably. Let's go see what the tires look like.
Is that the front up there, or? Oh yeah. I see a guy. I just saw a guy with a yellow shirt get in.
Okay, then we better move.
I know. I'm going up this way. You go up that way. The whistle will blow really loud. All right, I gotta go get the pizza. All right, well, hold on. It's unbelievable. I can't believe it's here. It's just sitting there. What? A train is just sitting there. It is. You never even realize how big it is when it's... We went and saw it with CJ, remember? And Steven.
Yeah, but it wasn't...
We should tell Lexi.
It wasn't...
Did you tell Lexi?
Huh?
I want to tell her because... Huh? I know. Lex! Lex, look at the train!
Want me to get her?
Yeah, go tell her. And Devin. Hurry up, he'll miss it. Wait! Devin, come up here, hurry! I don't know, something happened. This is weird, I never... Devin, hurry up! Come see this, hurry! You're gonna miss it! You gotta hurry. It's crazy. That's fine.
There's a big train just sitting
It's
there.
just, stop. The giantest train ever. You saw this before? All the time. No, they didn't.
No, it's perfectly fine.
Devin, come look at it.
No. Yeah, it's way down there.
Look at it. Come look at it. You're fine. You can come outside. Come look at it. Come look at it. He won't come out. I gotta go get the pizza. It is gonna get cold. Watch, I'll go get on the road to get the pizza and the train will have to leave and block me. So let me go before it starts up again.
Or is it just starts right now?
Here, keep recording. I'm gonna go get the pizza. Don't miss it in case it starts.
Wait, you're gonna go and get the pizza? I'm gonna be stuck here?
Yeah, just keep recording. I'll be right back. Right down the street, come over.
Oh. Yeah? I'm recording you with the train.
On chains.
You keep recording.
No!
I don't want to.
Then just stop recording.
She said don't miss any of it. Yeah, she said I'm leaving you here with it.
Don't go down where mom's not here.
I know. I went down there bare feet. Okay, gotcha! I'm gonna go get a popsicle. It's hot out here.
No.
And if it starts up and just starts like going out of the controller and then it flips over. Like boom!
Tyler, help. I don't know what this is, but I want it.
Train. You know what it is. Everyone that lives near the train tracks are probably like,
Okay, how about we just...
what? No, because I'm out here with the phone. Now stop. Kayla, stop. You can't even leave me out here. I'm too little. Me. Oh, that thing's stuck in the ground, so we could use that for climbing up. So just leave that there. Oh.
Is it that stuck in the ground?
Yeah, it's not stuck in the ground. It's probably going on the tree by now. Hear that?
What?
Someone, I know the train broke down. It had to. It had to just turn it off and just like, why am I shaking on that?
We all shake.
Why? My blood pressure is low.
Don't always be asking why. That's a little... Like, are you going to the store? Why? To get milk. Why? Because we need milk. Why? So we can have food. Why? So we don't starve. Why? Because if we starve, we die. Why? Because that's how God created the world. Why? I don't know. I'm not God. Why? Just shut up. Why?
Fine, I'll come back. Just wait.